In this video, I'll guide you through how to decorate or customize your Steam user profile. Customizing your Steam profile is a great way to give your account a unique look and make it stand out to friends and other players. Whether you're creating your profile for the first time or simply giving it a fresh new appearance, Steam offers several customization options that let you express your personality. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire process, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to find the settings and how to personalize your profile with ease. To get started, open the Steam application on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the official Steam website and launch it once the installation is complete. After Steam opens, you'll need to sign in to your account. Click the Login button, enter your account name and password, and then select Sign In. If Steam asks you to verify your identity because you're using a new device, simply complete that verification before continuing. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll arrive at the Steam homepage. Look toward the upper right corner of the window and click on your profile name. A drop-down menu will appear. From the available options, select View My Profile to open your personal profile page. Now it's time to start customizing. Click the Edit Profile button to access all of the available profile settings. Here, you can update your profile name with something unique that represents you within the Steam community. You can also create a personalized profile URL, making it easier for friends to locate your profile and share it with others. Next, add a short biography to introduce yourself. This is a great place to mention your favorite games, gaming interests, or anything else you'd like other users to know about you. If you'd like, you can also choose to include your general location. After that, choose an avatar for your account. You can upload your own image or select one from Steam's available collection. Your avatar is one of the first things people notice, so choose something that reflects your style. Finally, head over to the Theme section and browse the available profile themes. Select the one you like best, or explore additional themes if you have access to more options. Your chosen theme changes the overall appearance of your profile and helps create a more personalized experience. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple changes, you can create a Steam profile that reflects your personality and makes a great impression on everyone who visits it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Steam profile.